please go and register on the link below and see.
Okay, my name is Bernardo Say. I'm one of the tutors for Women Promoting Science to Younger Generation, and for this upcoming 28-29 workshop, I'm expecting that each and every one of you should go and register so for us to enjoy this Python workshop. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Faith Benson. I'm a tutor in the upcoming Python workshop. I'm very excited to share my knowledge with you guys, so you are all welcome to participate. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Elkana Nyambuku. I'm one of the tutors for the upcoming Python workshop. Come, let's learn together. See you on 28.
Hi, my name is Fabiola Say. I am a tutor for the 2-day Python tutorial. I am really excited and looking forward to meeting all of you. Thank you.
I'm Dio Viabazere, and the tutor of this upcoming Python 2-day workshop. And I'm so much excited about the workshop. I'm encouraging each and everyone to come and participate in order we can promote the science. Thanks very much.
My name is Deborah Doma Kandobala, and I'm really excited